Hello everyone, welcome back to Careers 360. So since January 22nd, 2026, shift 1 is over for JMain students. And what's the story? Is it remains the same? Was math the villain? No. In this particular shift 1, 22nd of January 2026, math was basically easy but lengthy. The feedback that we have got from the students, let me share it with you straight from the center. So overall, if I talk about the paper, it was easy as compared to 21st January. Math was easy. The paper was easy to moderate with respect to all the shift. There was a question from AP. Only physics was moderate in comparison to 21st January, both the shifts. There were 3 questions from ray optics, 2 from gravitation escape velocity. Overall, the paper is similar if we compare it to 2025 shifts basically. So in a way, the students are saying that physics was on the upper hand, followed by chemistry and then mathematics. But there are some students जो ये भी कह रहे हैं कि chemistry का upper hand था, followed by maths and then physics. Well, overall, on an average, less questions were attempted by the students in this particular shift. Paper was overall moderate. हाँ, chemistry के जो questions आए हैं, the chemistry was totally balanced weightage wise. Overall, the students could attempt 40 to 50 questions. Physics was less attempted. Math was lengthy, but it was not tough, time consuming. So there should be the time management which you require basically. Yeah, there were statement based questions from fluid mechanics also. Okay, so this is the feedback that we have got from the students, and let's see what will be the percentile, what will be the score and respective percentile to it. I'm going to actually have a detailed analysis on it in the upcoming time. I mean to say, sharply at 12:30 p.m. we are going live and we'll be talking about the overall analysis of the paper, and we'll be solving the questions of chemistry also. So join me with my live session sharply at 12:30 p.m. on BTech Careers 360 channel. Till then, take care and bye-bye.